Good morning everyone, myself Renu Bansal and today I am going to teach you class 2nd English Literature chapter. Name of the chapter is The Talking Cave. So let's start the chapter with the summary. Students, now we are going to start 2nd chapter of English Literature. Name of the chapter is The Talking Cave. Before starting the chapter, let me tell you something about this chapter. This is a story. The Talking Cave is a story about two animals, lion and jackal. The lion ruled over the jungle. One day, the lion could not find a single animal to hunt. In search of food, when he was wandering here and there, he found a cave. He thought to himself, the cave might be home to a few animals. So he decided to wait there until he finds an animals to prey upon. He hid inside the cave. The cave was a home to a jackal. When jackal came back home, he noticed the footprints of the lion entering the cave. He saw the footprints of the lion entering the cave. After watching the footprints of lion, what did the jackal do? The jackal entered in the cave. So let's read the story and know about it. So students, let's start the reading of the chapter. Name of the chapter is The Talking Cave. This is a story of a lion and a jackal. So let's start it. Once there was a lion. He ruled over the jungle. One day, he could not find a single animal to hunt. It was almost sunset. The lion was very hungry. Suddenly, he saw a big cave. He thought to himself, some animal must live in this big cave. At sunset, the animal that lives here is sure to return. I will hide inside the cave and wait for my dinner to arrive. Once there was a lion who ruled over the jungle. So here is a word ruled. Ruled means to have supreme authority, or it means to have the power over a country, or a place. So here who was the ruler of the jungle? The lion was the ruler of the jungle. Means lion had the authority of making rules. Like in our country, in every country we have a government, and government has the power of making rules. One day the lion, means he could not find a single animal to hunt, and it was time to be evening and he was feeling very hungry. When he was searching for the food, he saw a big cave. He found a big cave. He thought himself that the lion thought himself that there must be some animal living here. At the time of evening, the animal surely come back here. So he decided to hide in the cave and wait for the animal. Students, here is a word hunt. Hunt means to kill wild animals. And one more word is here, cave. Cave means tunnel. So now there is a question for you. Who ruled over the jungle? So here is the answer. The lion ruled over the jungle. One more question is here. What did the lion think when he saw the cave? And find out the answer. Answer is, he thought that some animal must live in this cave. What did the lion think? He thought that some animal must live in this cave. Now one more question is there. Where did the lion hide himself? Where did the lion hide himself? Find out the answer. The lion hid himself inside the cave. What is the answer? The lion hid himself inside the cave. Come to the next passage. A jackal lived in the cave. At sunset, the jackal came back to the cave. He saw the footprints of the lion going into the cave. He could not see any footprints coming out. When Jackal, who lived in the cave, came back to the cave, he saw the footprints of the lion going into the cave, and he didn't find any footprints coming out of the cave. Here is a question for you. Who lived in the cave? Who lived in the cave? Answer is a jackal lived in the cave. One more question for you. What did the jackal see outside the cave? What did the jackal see outside the cave? Now you will find out the answer. Answer is he saw the footprints of the lion going into the cave. He saw the footprints of the lion going into the cave. The jackal was a clever animal. He thought, if a lion is inside, he will eat me. How can I be sure? I must find out if the lion is still inside. In this passage, here is the word clever. Clever means smart, or we can say intelligent. Next word is sure. Sure means having no doubts, means doubtless. Jackal was very clever. He thought if a lion is inside, he will eat me. Then the jackal thought that I had to find out that lion is inside or not. I have to be sure about it. So students, that's all for today. Now what will you do? You will find out the meaning of difficult words from the story, and in our next class we will read the remaining part of the story.